Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my first ever Stitch Fix box. I'm so excited. About a month and a half ago, I decided to experiment and try out Project 333. I cleaned out my closet, took a bunch of stuff out, and narrowed it down to just 33 items. I've actually really enjoyed having such a simplified wardrobe, and I tend to wear a lot of the same stuff, like all black. Even after narrowing it down to just 33 items, there were still a few more things that I pulled out over the next few weeks as I wore them and didn't love them. And I'm ready to mix in something fresh and new and fun. So I decided to give Stitch Fix a try. I've always wanted to try it out. I've been scared that I wouldn't love what they picked for me, but I love the idea of somebody else picking out stuff for me. I want to wear fun clothes, but I tend to be drawn to just the same black classic stuff when I'm in a store. So let's unbox it and see how it goes. So exciting. So when I first open up the box, I still don't know what's in here because it's wrapped in this cool brown paper. But I'm super excited. I am a blank slate, Stitch Fix. Help me get dressed. We have a return service bag in case there's anything I don't love. Oh, hello. Hi, Sara. Thanks for letting us style fix number 1 for you. Enjoy. Don't mind if I do. Okay, let's get to it. At first glance, I love these colors. Okay, the first item. Oh, this is short sleeved. I saw it folded and thought it was gonna be long sleeve. This is really soft. Stitch Fix exclusive. First of all, I love that it's short sleeve, and even though this is crazy soft, it is not something I would have picked from the store. So I'm excited to be forced to try it on. Not sure if I'll like it, but I do like the color and the feel. The feel is really important to me. Okay, next item. Oh, again, it's so soft. So I've got like a little tank shirt. It's got some stripes. I like that it's not too busy. Again, it's really soft, and look at the back. This little like knot twist in the back with kind of a peekaboo. Or is that the front? No, that's the back. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, what's this? It's black, so we know I'm gonna love it. Wow. Okay, another like tank top for layering. This is one of the bodysuit styles. Very soft, it's ribbed, and it does have a cross back. So if you can see, again, there's like a peekaboo hole. It'll make sense when I try it on. Having this with something cute coming up over it, I think will be really fun for a date night because of the cute back and the fitted style. Also could be really good for just layering under other stuff. None of this is stuff that I would have bought in the store. So I can't wait to try it on and see how I feel once it's on me. Let's see what's next. More black. I love black. I wanted to mix up my style, but I do love black. I want something that feels a little bit like home. So black will do that. It's like a jumpsuit. I've never had one of these. It has pockets. I love pockets. A little drawstring at the waist, and it's a crop length. This will be really fun for the transition into summer. As long as this fits well, I know I'm gonna love this. Okay, last item. Let's see what this is. These are pants. Hannah Eco Cargo Skinny Pant. I love me some skinny pants. Look at these. These are a petite size. I am short, I am 5'2", and pants are not made for people my height. Cargo is another thing that's really fresh and fun right now. So I love that they're cargo, but they're still fitted. They're not really bulky. And they've got some cute zipper details. So I am thrilled. These also feel like they have some good stretch to them. Yeah, so these are gonna be super comfy. Nice deep pockets. I could probably fit a phone in that pocket. And then I have the zip pocket. And I love the gray. I narrowed down my pants to just 2 pairs of jeans, and then I have a couple pairs of black pants and 1 pair of pink pants. So mixing in the gray is gonna be really fun. let's try it on and see how it all goes. Okay, I tried on my first item. I started with the jumpsuit. It fits perfect, it fits great. Really soft, again it has pockets. This thing makes me want to travel. Like, this would be super comfy to wear on an airplane somewhere on a trip. I'm gonna keep it, I'm digging it. Let's try it on with a denim jacket. Definitely my style, something that I would wear being all black and having some layer to it. I could definitely warm it up during this transitional time of year where it's starting to get nice out, but it's not quite hot, and then transition to summer and just wear this. Getting dressed doesn't get much easier than putting on one item, so I'm excited about this. I just realized this little oh hello thing has some pictures of the stuff they picked for me with other complimentary items that they're trying to sell me, which is super fun and cool. I'm not going to buy anything in addition to what came in this box for now. I signed up for just once every 3 months, so I'm going to get a seasonal refresh. Welcome to your very first fix, Sarah. I'm thrilled to introduce you to a mix of versatile pieces in this fix designed to elevate your everyday style. I hope this first fix is a day maker for you and you have fun trying it all on. Best, Lisa. So far I'm having fun. Okay, let's go for the next item. Outfit number 2. Ah, I love these. The skinny jeans fit me perfect. They feel really good on me. They're super soft and stretchy. I love the pockets. This shirt, again, is not something I would have grabbed off of a shelf or a display at a store, but I do like it. It's soft. I like the more modern length. I could even do a little millennial tuck, is what it is. I think the color's not bad. It's not a color I really own. This, like, the color of the stripes, I do like solid, like plain white and basics. But I think this is pretty, and it's just comfortable enough that I love it, just different enough that I feel like I am getting a little mix up to my normal style. Don't mind my black bra, but here's the keyhole in the back. It'll be a lot cuter with a different bra on. Okay, here's the other shirt. Again, really soft. I like the soft, pretty colors. I like that it's short sleeve. I don't think I would like this as a long sleeve shirt. I could play with how the buttons are. That's probably how I would have it. It feels really nice on me, and I like the colors. It is a different look, so I might have to take a minute to think about this one. Play with styling it. Maybe it's better with a little tuck in it. Try it with my jean jacket. Again, I wouldn't have picked this off the shelf, but that's part of the point of Stitch Fix for me, is to try on clothes I wouldn't normally pick for myself. I think it could be fun. I like it. I like that it's kind of a looser fit and not too tight. It's nice to mix it up. I'm happy about the variety of kind of a cute date night tight shirt and then something looser and family friendly. I could see wearing this just going out and about with the family on the weekend. I think we have another keeper. Okay, here's the last top they gave me. It fits great. I'm really impressed with how well everything fits my body that they gave me. And I wouldn't have picked a bodysuit, but it is kind of fun to have something different, and I could see this being a fun date night shirt. And look at the back. Again, with my bra and the lighting, I would have a different bra on, but it's really fun, and I could see wearing this with a cute little black and white skirt that I have that would be just super cute with. So, Stitch Fix, thank you so much for a great experience on my first fix. I love you. I'm so glad I signed up to get a refreshed wardrobe every season, and can't wait for my next box. Hey, if you want to learn more about Project 333, check out my other video because I walk you through exactly how I approach narrowing down my closet. It was easier than I expected.